Ethereum value equivalent to 30,233 rands a coin. The present cost range, 29,615, 30,529. The earlier day close, 29,717. The change was plus 516. Plus 1.74%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month, Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, February 20, cost 29,655 rands, high 31,731, low 27,579. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, February 21, cost 32,499 rands, high 34,774. Low 30,224. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, February 22. Cost 33,580 rands. High 35,931. Low 31,229. Ethereum figure on Thursday, February 23. Cost 33,095 rands. High 35,412. Low 30,778. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, February 24. Cost 33,102 rands. High 35,419. Low 30,785. Ethereum figure on Monday, February 27. Cost 33,480 rands. High 35,824. Low 31,136. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 33,157 rands. High 35,478. Low 30,836. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 30,837 rands. High 32,996. Low 28,678. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 30,561 rands. High 32,700. Low 28,422. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 32,586 rands. High 34,867. Low 30,305. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 32,279 rands. High 34,539. Low 30,019. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 31,579 rands. High 33,790. Low 29,368. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 31,561 rands. High 33,770. Low 29,352. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 31,428 rands. High 33,628. Low 29,228. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 30,653 rands. High 32,799. Low 28,507. Ethereum figure on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 33,099 rands. High 35,416. Low 30,782. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 33,392 rands. High 35,729. Low 31,055. Ethereum figure on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 31,981 rands. High 34,220. Low 29,742. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 33,063 rands. High 35,377. Low 30,749. In about a month Ethereum figure on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 32,667 rands. High 34,954. Low 30,380. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 33,159 rands. High 35,480. Low 30,838. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 32,073 rands. High 34,318. Low 29,828. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2023. First and foremost cost at 27,560 rands. Exorbitant cost 35,931. While low cost 25,562. The found the middle value of cost 30,553. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 33,157. Change for February 20.3%. Ethereum gauge for WOC 2023. In the first place cost at 33,157 rands, exorbitant cost 39,191. While low cost 28,422. The found the middle value of cost 34,349. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 36,627. Change for spring 10.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 36,627 rands, exorbitant cost 45,461. While low cost 36,627. The found the middle value of cost 40,301. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 42,487. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum gauge for May 2023. Initially cost at 42,487 rands. Excessive cost 42,487. While low cost 36,135. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 39,991. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 38,855. Change for May 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. In the first place cost at 38,855 rands, exorbitant cost 38,855, while low cost 30,353. The found the middle value of cost 35,175. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 32,638. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 32,638 rands, exorbitant cost 40,510, while low cost 32,638. The found the middle value of cost 35,912. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 37,860. Change for July 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 37,860 rands, exorbitant cost 37,860. While low cost 31,949. The found the middle value of cost 35,506. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 34,354. Change for August 9.3%. Ethereum gauge for September 2023. In the first place cost at 34,354 rands. Exorbitant cost 35,055, while low cost 30,469. The found the middle value of cost 33,160. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 32,762. Change for September 4.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 32,762 rands. Excessive